Crypto trading comes with risk of losing funds. Trade responsibly. Hardware mining is dead. ETH moved to proof of stake. Bitcoin mining costs too much. But the concept of mining, earning crypto through dedicated infrastructure, that's still alive. Synthetic mining borrows the framework from hardware mining and rebuilds it for spot markets. Hardware mining, you buy a rig. Synthetic mining, you deposit capital on an exchange. Hardware mining, you pay electricity bills. Synthetic mining, you pay a monthly subscription. Hardware mining, proof of work is finding a block. Synthetic mining, proof of work is filled sell orders. Hardware mining, block rewards hit your wallet. Synthetic mining, accumulated crypto stays on exchange until you withdraw. Hardware mining, difficulty adjusts with network hash rate. Synthetic mining, difficulty is market volatility. Hardware mining, profit comes from selling mined coins. Synthetic mining, profit or stash depends on your mode settings. In stash mode, you're mining ETH again, accumulating coins that cost you nothing. No electricity, no hardware depreciation, no heat, no noise, just automated accumulation. Synthetic mining runs the same playbook as hardware miners, just without the overhead. Find out how synthetic mining can work for you at synthmining.com.